Good morning. Welcome to CDT day 121. Had a good sleep last night and enjoying ourselves. We are deciding to stay here another day for a 0 day, so that we can do some extra chores like laundry, showers, internet downloads. My YouTube uploads are going to really need some time because I am completely behind on them because there's no service or Wi-Fi in most of Wyoming. So finally found a place with some good internet, so I'll be able to get caught up with that stuff. And then also we'll see if Paps can catch up to us. We're trying to see if he can catch up, and then spend some time with Woj and all that. So we're going to stay here another night and just enjoy the day. Don't have too much planned though, just mostly relaxing and getting some of those chores done. So we're going to head out and get some breakfast and see where the day takes us. It's breakfast time. Steak and eggs, Belgian waffle, and a hot chocolat. Lots of window shopping down here and stuff in town. It's a nice town to be walking through. Had a really good sleep at the hotel and just had some good breakfast, so now we're going to head back to the hotel, get some stuff done. So another really cool thing that just happened is we talked to some nice guy who just wanted to know about our hike, and turns out he is a trail angel. So I was just telling him about, we were talking about how people judge each other, because a lot of us have, pretty, we're all well educated and we have pretty prominent lifestyles outside of the trail. Like I've met a ton of doctors, nurses, and therapists and things like that, and like I'm an engineer, and then not that that's a huge deal, but there's just like big parts of society, but people just treat us like we're homeless or drifters, and it's just because they have first impression. So we were talking about judgment and things like that, and this guy just gave us $50. He was like, here, take this and go get some lunch or whatever. So that will pay for a really nice lunch for us, so it's pretty awesome that he gave that to myself, Jesus, and Girly Girl. So it's very nice of him, especially in spite of some of the not so nice things people have done, like pass us up on hitches for hours or steal our money, things like that. So it's really nice of him. So it restores a little bit of faith in people, so we'll be getting a nice lunch with that. We got a mall. Got some outfitters, a casino bar, liquor stores, a bunch of shops for clothes and stuff, and the Ho Hum Motel, which is where we were staying. Well, you know what they say. It's 12:53 p.m. somewhere. It's time for a trail beer. Alright, got some dinner. Heading back to the hotel room to finish off the day. Nothing special going on. It's very relaxed 0 day, so nothing much to report. The only thing I did do is do a little research on this route coming up to the town of Ennis. It's about 71 miles away, and just wanted to see what was along the route because it looks like desert, so I'm worried about water sources, stuff like that. But it turns out we are stacked. Every 5 to 10 miles, something like that, there's something like a water source, or like every 10 to 15 miles there's a bar, restaurant, convenience store. So this road walk should be quite a bit easier than originally thought. But yeah, this is going to be 71 miles of straight road walking all the way to the town of Ennis before we hop back on trail onto the Big Sky alternate that'll take us back to the CDT. So hoping to do this in about 2.5 days, and we'll see how that goes. But as far as the 0 day goes, nothing going on, so it's a pretty boring one for you guys. But like I said, not everyone's gonna be a winner, and since I'm filming every day that I'm hiking, some days I just got nothing going on, and that's a nice thing about it. Just watch some TV, lay in bed. So calling that the end of the day, and we'll catch up with you guys tomorrow, where we are headed back out onto the road to Ennis.